We there in a Civic. The goal here is clean. I just brushing over a hood. This should just so before I put water on it, it won't get excessively muddy. This is why you should check your cars. You see in this crack here, like this car, they crashed before on the wall. That is a poor job, but this looking like filler. So damn, if I didn't take out, cause where this is, the engine mount will be here, so you would never see this. Jesus Christ. Body filler on the chassis. So I guess this whole thing was chopped off. This whole nose got up to here as well. I have this front cut here. I don't know how much I will put on the actual car, but this is the new damages that I find. So over here was always pinked up. You could see from like how much that gone up, so that this is straight. So you see, I want to use this whole front radiator support panel. Engine was in the car. This frame was always a bit closer than the other Civics I used to see. So I was checking there, don't have any body filler, so I think only over here was cut and replaced. Probably cutting off that and just this piece, and then just drill out from there, slap it in like that. While we have it, so that's where my thoughts are right now. But let me measure it and see if it's the same distance. Also that's straight and this one there. These bars towards the front. You see how straight that panel is, like you could tell it from factory. This is how crooked and beaten up this one is. What will I do? Future me will probably do the best thing in the moment. So this is how it lining up. It had this big space by the grill here, and for the bumper, the clip, the hole is quite here, and this bracket is thin, unlike here. Watch, all I bracket and the hole in the middle. Also the brackets for the bumper, it's smaller. Watch how big that is. This is this little thing here. But everything else is perfect. But I don't want to do a 99 conversion, I want a 96. So I guess I had to sell this. Fuck. The house break down. No lie. Car removed. Safe. See a little minor scratches. That should be good. Alright guys, so we buy a tent. Look at the day in the back there. That little box. So I can't let on hold my back. That sun real hot. And I can't afford a house or a little garage or a little warehouse yet, so we have to use the tent. So this is our bigger tent. I'll show you when you reach. The tent is here. Nice tent, 10 by 15. I just have to secure the legs and make some ties just to be extra precautious. I'm happy that we could fit the whole van. So I guess when it's time to work on the car, just had to roll it up. Nice. Progress so far. This side clean. You have to clean this side now. So you can see as I started to wire brush with my hand, the paint started to come off. right? Them rust spot, that is where brake fluid and clutch fluid drip, and that will rust eventually. I was bust open. I do this repair about 3 years ago when I first scrap it down. But what I noticed, like this piece here, normally it'll be straight. It looking like this, you know. Where these usually line up, it usually lines up here, not here. So I don't know what this car really went through, but I want to keep it in my life. It was my first car. I have it for 5 years now. It was because of this car I was able to buy this van. This car never gave me no like major problems. D series was always reliable. It was a working car, I just wanted to fix the rings. But with that money now, it was better to put in a 1.6. So now with all of that commotion come up to me wanting to paint the bay before I put in the engine. Good thing we do that, because we actually was able to find out more problems, right? So if I was to replace this nose cut, right, I would only get the outsides welded when you put it together on the vehicle. I wouldn't get these reinforcements, right? So that's how I guessing if I was to hire a body man, he would just weld out the outsides. Now I know the proper way to do this is to remove every little panel, but I don't have the whole car. This is all I have. So what I thinking is you can remove the first layer a little bit, and with this inner piece, get the inner piece welded at least, and then I don't know. You can see what will take place, because it looks like this reinforcement because of the we'll go here. I think the AUC bracket, and then like our next side engine mount bolts here and on this side as well. So looking at the structural rigidity of the thing, because while I want to preserve it, I do have all the access right now, right? I just want to have it presentable and to the best that I could have it. In the future, I could take apart this whole car, but as of right now, to just have it on the road, I thinking to just slap this on there.
Soundboy Ryan.
Babylon kick off the door to me room, them say herb. Tree